I know you're trying desperately to figure out what to do with all those Thanksgiving turkey leftovers. I've got the solution for you today. We're going to make a cranberry turkey calzone. And it starts by heating a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in a nice large fry pan. And I'll add in a sliced onion along with about a cup of dried cranberries, some balsamic vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Let that cook for a little while. And we'll follow it up by adding a couple of tablespoons of Dijon mustard and 4 tablespoons of apple butter. And as that cooks, we'll end up by adding some gorgonzola cheese. That's going to be good. Now, to make your life easy, we're going to use refrigerated pizza dough in the can. What I've done is I've spread it out on a greased tray, and I'll add some of my leftover turkey right in the middle and top it with some of that delicious pan sauce we made. And then fold it over in half and then crimp the edges with a fork just to seal the dough. Now go ahead and brush it with some beaten egg, and then sprinkle with sesame seeds, then bake it in a 350 or even a 400 oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and you've got yourself a day after Thanksgiving treat. You'll be thankful for these Thanksgiving leftovers, and get the recipe by writing to me here at the station or log on to the website at the address shown on your screen and click on the Kitchen Guy icon. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. Come back and see me next time.